Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja, and I purchased the new ColourPop palette. Just my luck. It goes with the whole green aesthetic. Y'all like my plants? They're real, by the way. I purchased it for $12. Woo. So you get 9 colors. It's pretty much like a monochrome palette. Whatever. I think monochrome means like it's all like within the same shade range. It's all green. They're really pigmented. I swatched them on my arm. And I also bought 2 of the Super Shock shadows. One is called Lightning Bug and the other one is Cusp, which is the green one. It's like they're kind of emollient, meaning they're kind of like, they feel wet. Kind of wet, kind of squishy. If y'all like this look, just stay tuned, watch it, enjoy it, and yeah, we're just gonna get to it, okay? Yeah, I'll see y'all at the end. So before I start my makeup, I'm gonna like moisturize my face. I already washed my face, so it feels dry, so I'm moisturize it. Put my fresh black tea kombucha, my essence. I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand. I'm gonna put a little bit of my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye under eye cream. And to moisturize my face, I'm gonna put on Tatcha water cream. So next, I'm just gonna use my Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. So, since y'all have already seen me like apply my foundation and stuff like that, I might fast forward through this part. And for today's foundation, I'll be using the Hourglass Vanish in the shade Natural Amber. Now I'm just gonna like highlight my face, and I'm gonna like speed through this process because y'all seen me do it before. I used these concealers in my last video. So I have the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Dark 52, Medium 26, Medium Dark 32, even though it don't seem dark at all. Okay, so as you can see, I've already set my face with my Laura Mercier setting powder, the translucent one. And I really tried not to use too much setting powder. I didn't want to dry my face too much. So off camera, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to contour and do my brows, and I'll be right back. I did my brows, I bronzed up my face off camera. My brows look amazing. Here are the shades. Oh my god, I made a mark here. I didn't mean to do that. I'm not even sure which color I want to go in first. Whatever. So we're just gonna wing it. To prime my eyelid, I'm gonna go with my P. Louise base in the color, or in the shade 2. So I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Chances Are, and that's a really like light teal shade. This one right here. The next shade is called Kiss My Hass. Kiss My Hass. I don't know what a hass is, but okay. Maybe it's some type of leafy green something. I don't know. This shade right here. I think the next color I want to use, Mo Bamba and Charmed, like on the outer corners of my crease. So I've already put the P. Louise base down on the center of my eye, and now I'm just gonna place I Love You in the center. Okay, so now on top of the I Love You in the center, I want to put this gold. It's really, really pretty. So I'm just going to go back in and like kind of deepen up the crease a little bit just to intensify it. So now I'm going to kind of like smoke out the bottom, and I'm going to use Kiss My Hash, and Charmed. So I think I want to take a little bit of that gold, the Super Shock shadow. I'm going to put it on my lower lid. So the green shadow I have, cusps, and I'm just like layering it right on top of the other green I have. I'm going to tightline my eyes with the Marc Jacobs gel liner. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I think this is like one of my new faves. So I have my lashes on. I just want to add like a couple of highlights. I'm going to use a little bit of this Artist Couture. As a finishing spray, I'm going to use my Caudalie Beauty Mist. So off camera, I added a couple of beauty marks, freckles, however you want to say. So if I didn't mention before, the lipstick I have on is a combination of the Nude Matte Stick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Unbuttoned Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty. I lined my lips with the NYX Sweet Chateau. Yeah, the NYX Sweet Chateau in the color, I forgot, Deep Rooted. So I use these three. And on top, I think I'm gonna add the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So this is the finished look. If y'all want to hear my thoughts on the palette, I like green. I like the colors. I mean, as I was using, I got like a little fallout, but nothing too serious. It was only like what, $12, so I would say get it. You know, it's cute. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.